methods of finding square roots. When the numbers are small, we can use all those methods like repeated subtraction, factorization, prime factorization method for finding the square roots. But sometimes when the numbers are very large numbers, maybe 4 digit or 5 digit or sometimes 6 or 7 digit numbers, those methods will be very long and it won't be easy to find the square roots using those numbers. Then we have to use another method. That method is called long division method. It is similar to division but with a slight difference. So let us do long division method for finding the square root. We'll do it with some examples. Okay. The first example is 256. How to find the square root of 256? So what you have to do first is, from the ones place, you have to make groups or pairs of digits. How to make the pairs? You see here 1, 2, then put a comma. So here we got two groups. So take the first digit. What is the first digit here? 2. Then think of a number whose square is either equal to 2 or less than 2. So you know that 2 is not a square number. Which is the square number less than 2? Yes, 1 ones are 1. So here the square number just below 2 is 1. So how will you get 1? 1 multiplied by 1. 1 ones are 1. So you write that 1 ones are 1. Now as you do in division, subtract it. 2 minus 1, 1. Then bring these two group completely down. Okay. After that, you have to write the same number 1. So plus 1 to get a number here. Now the next step is something which you need to think. You have to write here a number, a digit. Write a digit here and then multiply by that digit to get a number 156 or something less than 156. So let us see by which numbers we can multiply. You see here, you know that if you have 6, 4 4s are 16 or 6 6 are 36. So we have to try with these two numbers first. So we'll try 24 multiplied by 4. So you see 4 4s are 16, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. So this is not the number. So let us try 26 multiplied by 6. 6 6 are 36. 2 6 are 12 plus 3 15. So you got 156. How did you get 156? By multiplying 26 by 6. So here which number will come? 6, and here also 6. Okay. Now if you get 0 as the remainder, whatever number you got here will be the square root. So what is square root of 256 is equal to 16. Okay. Now let us see one more example with 4 digit numbers. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. So first step is start making groups. 1, 2, make a group. Then 1, 2. So the first group is 70. What we have to do first? Find out a number whose square is either 70 or less than 70. Which number will come there? You see 1 ones are 1, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 4, 4s are like that. You multiply, you get 8 8s are 64 and 9 nines are 81. So which number comes just before 70? Which square number comes? 64. That means 8 8s are 64. Now subtract. What will you get? 70 minus 64 is 6. After that, like division, but with a difference. Bring both the numbers together. Now what we have to do? Whatever number you wrote here, add that. What will you get? 16. Now, here you have to write a digit, and by the same digit, you have to multiply the whole number to get this number or a number less than that. So let us see again. Here it is 6. So with which numbers you should try? With 4 or 6. So let us see. Multiply. 164 multiplied by 4. 4 fours are 16. 6 fours are 24 plus 1, 25. 1 fours are 4, 4 plus 2, 6. You got 656. So which number here? 4 here, and write the same 4 here. So you got 656. Again subtract, we get 0. So what is the square root here? 84. So square root of 7056 is equal to 84. Okay. Now let us see some more larger numbers. Here we have a 5-digit number. So I have already made into groups. You see here 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Okay. So the first group is 3. Think of a square number just below 3. Which square number is there? 1. And how do you get 1? 1 multiplied by 1. 1 ones are 1. Now what do we have to do? Subtract. So you get 2. And then bring these two numbers down. 68. Then what is the next step? Whichever number you wrote here, add the same number. So we get 2. Now think of a number. You have to think of a digit by which you will be multiplying the whole number to get this. Okay. We already know that 25 5s are 125. So 125 is very less than this number. So think of little bigger numbers. So we can start with 28. If we try 28 8s are 8 8s are 64. 6. 2 8s are 16 plus 6 22. It's still smaller than this number. We can try with one more number, that is 29 multiplied by 9. 9 9s are 81. 2 9s are 18 plus 8, 26. It's nearer to this digit, this number. So we can take 9. So write here and here 9. So what do we get? 261. When we subtract, we get 7. Then bring these two numbers, 2 digits down. Okay. Now, which number you wrote here? 9. So add 9. What do we get? 8, 3. Now think of a number or think of a digit which you have to write here and multiply the whole number to get 764. So here the number is 4. 2 2s are 4 or 8 8s are 64. So let us try with 2. 3, 8. It is already there, 3 8. So with that you try 2. Multiply. We get 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. 764. When we subtract, we get 0. Which number did we write? 2. So write 2 here and 2 here. So the square root of this number 36864 is 192. Okay. So the next number is this. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits are there. Again, it is made into groups. Okay, here we have 39. First group is 39. Think of the square numbers just below 39. Yes, which is the number 6. 6 are 36. Subtract. What do we get? 3. What is the next step? Bring these 2 digits down. And the next step is whatever we wrote here, add it. 12. Now, think of a digit. What we will be writing here with the same number we have to multiply. 1, 2. So, 122 multiply by 2. 4, 4, 2. But we have 3 here. So, 123 multiply by 3. 3 3s are 9. 2 3s are 6. 3 1s are 3. Can we take 369? Is it possible? Try. 306. It is not possible. So, we'll take this number 2. So, 244. Subtract 2, 6. Okay. Now, bring these 2 digits. And what do we have to do? Which number did we write? 2. So, add 2 first. 1, 2, 4. And here we have to write a digit by which when we multiply the whole number, we should get this number or a number less than that. So, here what is the number? 5. So, we will try with 5. 1, 2, 4, 5. Multiply by 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20 plus 2, 22. 2 5s are 10 plus 2, 12. 5 1s are 5 plus 1, 6. So, we got the same number. When we subtract 0, so the square root of the given number is 625. Now, if you observe these numbers, all those sums which we did, you see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits are there. Its square root has 3 digits. Okay. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits are there. So, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 upon 2, 3. Again 3 digit. Okay. If you check those numbers, the square numbers and square root of numbers, you will get a pattern. Try to find it out. Okay. That's all for today. In the next video, we will discuss exercise 6.4, which is an application of this type of questions. Thank you.